You gonna go inside? Is you scared? Are you scared? You're swallowing hard. You gonna go inside? Kids are playing. You can go inside. He's like, where am I at? This is not right. What's that? Sean, I'll take good Bon, I'll take good care of him. Bon's calling for you. Where you going? What is this place? Look, we got kid mess here. What is this place? Huh? Huh? What is this place? He's like, let me out. Where are you taking me? Play the music. Is it piano? Is it piano?
It's a piano. Piano.
What else you gonna do? You gonna walk everywhere in here? He's not like this, man. You wanna go back outside? Oh, here, let's go look outside. Let's go look outside.
You're outside.
There's a window, you know that. You went out? There's Esther down there. Esther's down there looking. You see Esther?
What are you doing?
No.
What are you doing?
Don't smack your head. Okay, all right, we'll take you out. Buddy, can you open the door for me?
He's like,
Okay.
fine.
All right, here we go. Here we go. Look, Bon's waiting for you. And Jude. I know. All right. Let me down. Let me down. Okay. There you go. Say, well, I never